Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on the channel, and today I'm going to be telling you how to make a scrolling city. So first of all, this is what I made, and first of all you have to make a sprite called player, and like, you have to make this. I'm going to show you how to make it. So first take this with fill, purple fill, and for outline, draw a square like this, perfect. And take the circle, white, and here we made the eyes. Next, take a square and change its color to peach. I'm telling you, like, it's the 10 color and it's shade 1695. And you can just use this option to make it a bit like more like a triangle. Okay, so just like this. How we play that. Okay, so okay, let's just ignore this one. I hope you got an idea. So I'm going to be backpacking this, and into our game here, I will be adding this costume. Now we can delete the other two costumes without I got the costume on. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is that we got the code and some code. First of all, we start with the basic thing you need to start with, and that will be wind flag plate. Take the wind flag plate and go past block, green, black. So now that we've got the green flag broadcast, when flag click, so we've got to see the script. When I see the green flag broadcast setup and weight, show set size to 100%, good front one. So when I see green flag, message called setup 100% and good. So that set 100% and go to the front layer. So now that we've done that, see. So now we're going to go on and create our city. I created this city up to now. As you can see, this is the city. The waves are not hard to make. You just have to take a circle and make the blue part, and then make these stones and copy paste them. I'm going to be providing you with all the assets you will need for this project, and as you can see, there are a lot of buildings I've got here. I'm going to be providing them with you too. Okay, so we'll just backpack this. And there it goes. Okay. So now I need to make another costume. And in code, we add something bigger. So when flat click X0, Y0 switch Question 2. Now, you'll be wondering why I made the second question and why am I switching to the question. Well, you see, if I were to have that big costume in here, costume to the big map, and were to be shown, I would want magnify hours because it's not just a big map, so I don't have to make the map. So size 1000. And showing. So you see what happened. The size and maximum takes is 150 because the crossing is already too big and it cannot reach the size. So what we have to do here is that we have to take this. Now let's take the size to 1000 because the crossing was wrong. And this is a cool trick. I like it. So when it changes to that way, then because we change the size before changing the costume to the big costume. So it took the size of the small costume and it was enough to get the size to 1000. So the next thing we want to do is we have to add forever block and go to back row because the player has to be in front. Now make two variables called scroll x, scroll y, and we need to add to set variable, set scroll x, and set scroll y to x position and to y position. Okay. The next thing we have here so here we have the script key right now pressed, the key to press. These are the controls. If not X position greater than -150, because you do not want the map when the player to get out of the map. We want him to stay in the map. There has to be a limit to where the player goes. Now, basically, I'm telling you what's going to be the rules of this one, but it's not going to be right now. Okay, I'm going to make go to the controls. Now we got this in here, and we're going to be taking this into the map. Okay, first, now I'm going to be naming this in C. So now, here we got the controls. We'll add them into the forever block. Don't need to worry about the coin on X and the coin on Y, though you can add it right now. It's going to be the best if you can. Just add it right now. Make two variables called coin 1 X and coin 1 Y, and add these blocks. So now let's check. See, it's moving. It can move. Now here comes the problem. We don't know what we are. Such a big map, we are lost in the map. In the whole city. So we need a map for that. And now I'm going to be teaching you how to make a map. So, we have this called map. So what we're going to do is going to be the same as that one. So wait, what we have to do is just duplicate this, name it map, and delete the box, I'll leave the box, delete this. Now we need to specific time. So now we have, first of all, we have be adding one flat click hide, one flat and now so one flat hide, and this here is one flat here. Run this barrel on the flag and put some together. Okay, so flag 9, and then we need that when M key pressed, meaning it's like M means map. So when the M key is pressed, the map is going to be shown. And when the H key is pressed, the map is going to hide. H stands for hide owner, and M stands for map. So let's take the when key pressed, M, and when H key pressed, duplicate this over here, and let's time over here and change this to show. So let's see what we have done here. This looks funny. You know why? Because we have to put the maps in. Oh. Let's just bring a bit of this green. Press the M key, it will show and hide. Now what do we still don't know where are the map. So first of all we have to go to clear and tell it to when M key press it has to hide. We don't want it when the map's being shown. And how do we know where the bird is on the map? So we have to create a map of this point, and it will tell. Okay. So when actually press set size to 100%, show and delete this point. When the map is going to be hidden, then it's going to be reset. And there's this, show, delete this point. Okay. Now we need to make coding of the color. When I showed you the color show, set size to 8, we need a small portion of the clear. Do X position of city divided by 10 minus 1, Y position of city divided by 10 times minus 1. This is where exactly we are in the city. Okay, I'm just going to backpacking this command for my ease. So done this here. Now taking this from the backpack, then it goes. Now let's just check. Okay, so as you can see, there's this little figure over here. I'm gonna hide the map. So hide it. Okay. So here. Let's hide it now. It's gone, and as you can see, this is exactly the position it is. Only the stones together, and here. Doing the same thing. Now let's go into another position. Let's go on the map into this board. Okay. So let's walk it up. As you can see in the map, you can see over here. Now I want to get to this little thing in the corner. So let's hide it. The map once more. Boom. Okay. And here we are. Congratulations. You're reaching your destination. As you can see, we have the speed of the player cannot move further than that. Pressing the right arrow key and now we're not moving. Yes, that's exactly what there needs to be a limit to the way the player can go. The player cannot just go fully over the city. Okay, so now we need to add left here. So I was thinking of adding the collectibles skill here, but I think it's gonna be fine without the variables. Yeah. No need for collectibles. No need for the collectibles in this tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you these collectibles in our next part of this tutorial. Till then, bye guys.